You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, including from science, and clarify pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos here. Mullein is how it is pronounced in English, alright? Ma, a schwa sound, and a sound, and then len, also a schwa sound. Mullein, a stress on the first syllable. Some may say a bit of an e sound, mullein, which is fine too, but it's not mullein, which it looks like it should be, or mullein. No, mullein. It's actually easier than you think. Easy pronunciation, mullein. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.